Kachi Ghani ka mustard oil has taken this bharta to another level. Bengan ka bharta. What does that mean? A mash of eggplant. Happens in every culture. The Greeks do it, the Turkish do it, the Middle Eastern people do it. Now, bengan is one of the oldest vegetables which was ever cultivated. Can you believe that? Okay, they found this like 3,000 years ago, up in Turkey, somewhere in the mountains. Now, that's really cool. Now, bengan is very simple. अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा या आपको बुरा लगेगा. It's like those hate and love kind of relationships. But I'll tell you what, the way I cook this bengan or any kind of bengan, I think for me this is the most amazing vegetable because जो उसका depth of flavor जो आप बना सकते हो ना, it's amazing. What makes a dish, okay? Dish, okay, is firstly is the freshness of the produce, whether it's meat, whether it's fish, whether it's anything. And secondly, for sure, it is the oil in which you're cooking it. Now here, if I'm using these lovely fresh eggplants along with Emami Kachi Ghani mustard oil, the strong variant, this is a complete winner. Because that flavor, you know, that cooking of any masalas with this mustard oil is outstanding. From a health point of view, I love this. They use the best quality. And besides this, they have another stronger variant as well, the strongest one. But for this recipe, हम strong variant use कर रहे हैं. भरते के लिए, we use a nice round eggplant. Why do we use a round eggplant? Because ये जो round eggplants हैं, they are much more fleshier. They have a lot of meat in them. They have fewer seeds, which means that these are not like one of those bitterish types. They are kind of slightly sweet and really plump in flavor. So when you roast them, you mash them, they become really nice and pulpy and meaty. So sometimes we want to just, I use this as a tool in my kitchen to literally fast track things, okay? You don't really have to do this. You can even put it in the oven. अगर आपके पास घर पे सिगड़ी है या आप you have an oven, you can also do in the oven. But this is the classic traditional style. You know, don't worry, गैस आपका गंदा नहीं हो जाएगा. 2 मिनट में साफ हो जाएगा. Don't you worry about that, okay? Lovely. तो ये हम बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह ब्रिस्टर कर रहे हैं इसे, okay? And then I'm going to let it cool down. And then we're going to start simply peeling them. That's it. Great. So here, always keep a chhanni ready with a bowl at the bottom so that all जो इसके juices है वगैरह, it'll all fall down. Perfect. तो great. तो अभी ये एक हो गया. अभी दूसरी की बारी. So now we're going to literally प्यार से इसको हम छील लेते हैं. Now you can see that smokiness which I'm talking about. ये जो smokiness जो आती है eggplant की, the mustard oil just really takes this whole smokiness to another level. Another amazing thing about a really good mustard oil is the high smoking point, which means that you can saute, stir fry, deep fry without your oil getting burnt and your food tasting terrible, okay? So the high smoking point is one of the factors why people like to choose mustard oil for cooking, especially when there is frying involved and also a lot of smoky flavors involved. Mustard oil is definitely my go-to oil to cook. Sometimes मैं क्या करता हूँ, I like to even combine mustard oil with a little bit of olive oil. Some people like to combine even mustard oil with ghee. But with Emami ka mustard oil, the strong variety, I just like to use it just like this. When you're cooking with mustard oil, it's always good to actually bring it to a smoking point, okay? And uske baad we're going to be starting to cook. And also another test which a friend of mine taught me, let me show you that. Now, what some people like to do is they take a little bit of salt, okay? Halka sa, I mean literally like a third of a teaspoon, into which I'm putting about a tablespoon of water, okay? So I've got this little salted water ka mixture, okay? And this was actually told to me by my friend in Amritsar, who's a home cook, who's a home chef, and he makes the best Amritsari fried fish. Now, when we were in Amritsar in his house and he was cooking, literally he showed me this technique which actually his mother told him. So what a technique they do is that before they start frying fish in mustard or anything, what they do is they bring this almost to a smoking point, और ये जो नमक का पानी है ना, इसमें थोड़ा सा छिड़कते हैं, okay? Perfect. Now to this I'm going to be adding some split green chilies, about 2 of them, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, giving this a little swirl, okay? Along with this, I'm going to be adding 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, और उसको हम अच्छी तरह भूनेंगे, okay? So we've got our onions and our green chilies in this, along with अपने जीरे के seeds, to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and about almost 1 teaspoon of garlic. Beautiful. अभी हम इसे अच्छी तरह भून रहे हैं. Nice. Next, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of Mantra turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder from Mantra, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, okay? Now definitely, as I always mention to you, that good food starts with good ingredients. So spices, the oil, the vegetables which we use have to be completely on point if you want to really make something really good. Amazing. अभी ये अच्छी तरह भून रहे हमारे मसाले. अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे 2 बारीक कटे हुए टमाटर, 2 medium-sized tomatoes in this. And giving this a nice mix. So ये जो हमारे भरते का जो मसाला है वो यहाँ पर हो रहा है, और यहाँ पे हमारे eggplants also beautifully peeled, okay? Nice. So literally perfect. तो अभी हम इसको 5 या 10 मिनट अच्छी तरह भूनेंगे. The tomatoes are going to start, losing their body, थोड़े से सॉफ्ट हो जाएंगे. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Beautiful. इसको हम हल्का सा मैश कर देते हैं, बिल्कुल. Beautiful. And you can see टमाटर अच्छी तरह गल रहे हैं. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारे बैंगन. Beautiful. अभी हम थोड़ा सा इसमें धनिया डाल देते हैं. And I've just checked because you know what, a very dear friend of mine, who's quite a cool home cook and all that, she said हम सर्दियों में इसमें मटर भी डालते हैं. तो चलो, मेरे पास मटर ऑलरेडी है, and I like that whole sweetness and smokiness and mustard oil and the green peas. So yeah, it made sense to me. So this is quite, ये काफ़ी अनोखी है ये मटर और बैगन का भरता. Okay, beautiful. तो great. सो हमारी भरता भी रेडी हो गया. I like that whole caramelization which is happening in the pan. Okay, now people also do add a little bit of garam masala or roasted jeera at the end. But you know what? हमारे पास काफ़ी spices हैं. You can see ये जो color जो है, ये काफ़ी हमारा भरता जो है बहुत ही अच्छा खिलने लगा है. I mean, I'm loving the whole texture जो अभी हो रहा है. ये जो flavors जो है तो बिल्कुल immaculate है. शायद हमने इसके साथ कोई पराठे वराठे है क्या, बड़ा लेके आई है तो मेरी टीम ने थोड़े से पराठे बना लिए हैं. सो जस्ट गिविंग यू अ सजेशन दैट पराठे जा सकते हैं, रोटी जा सकती है. मैं तो इसके साथ फ्रेंच ब्रेड भी खाता हूँ. ओके, आई लव द भरता व्हेन इट्स लेफ्ट ओवर. आई मिक्स इट अप विद डिफरेंट चीज़ एंड आई मेक अ लवली भरता एंड ग्रिल्ड चीज सैंडविच. गाइज प्लीज ट्राई इट, इट्स ब्रिलियंट. तो भरता भी रेडी हो गया. वाओ, व्हेन इट कम्स टुगेदर एंड इट स्टार्ट्स लीविंग द साइड्स ऑफ द कढ़ाई ना, यानी कि मामला फिट है. लेट्स स्टार्ट फेडिंग इट. वाओ, that mustard oil and that smokiness now with these lovely sweet peas, I think we have a winner. Lovely, look at that. Nice. Nice. तो also हल्का सा नींबू का रस. ओके, नाइस. और ये हमने पराठे हैं हमारे पास, तो पराठे को हम लिटरली वाओ, बिलीव मी, I would definitely eat this. Kachi Ghani ka mustard oil has taken this bharta to another level. If you like this recipe, do like, do share and do subscribe. And believe me, you have to try this recipe. Also, if you have any other special mustard oil recipes for me, please put them in the comments, directly message me, because if you have the recipes, I have the best mustard oil. I'll see you soon.